Manipuri women leading self-contained life through e-rickshaw service. RIMS rep accused remanded to 5-day police custody. And MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stresses on the role of education in society. Hello and good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria. Let's have the news in details. Ningthauzam Anita of Wangzing Lamding Elangmam Laikai in Thoubal district is comfortably leading a self-reliant life through an e-rickshaw service. Her bold efforts give the message of women empowerment and encourages women of the state to become independent life. TOMTV has a report on this.
Ningthauzam Anita, wife of Ningthauzam Dilip Singh of Wangzing Lamding Elangmam Laikai under Thoubal district is an elected member of Ward number 2 of Sangayumpham Gram Panchayat Part 2. She believes in helping people. Anita drives e-rickshaw to earn money. Her nab shows that women can also earn money just like any man. Anita earns rupees 500 to 600 every day. Checking the queue, many women have started booking for e-rickshaw. Anita said an association exclusively for women e-rickshaw drivers will be formed soon. She further showed interest in starting a Thoubal inter-district e-rickshaw cab service soon. Anita wears fanek, Meitei loincloth and koget headgear.
Aigi pochi summaidi mai pakpa Henkalai bagi maram di kaino habada aina gari tongna makoida laiba income dugi wari mas habada adaida ai isada phangba isada thuabani na makoi chu yawning bagi maikai rom da chingchalaga masing yam khale huji ai wangjing lamding somda da gari nipan gari mapan sujale ba adagi thaina gi moirang phi phijan si khwangche chelaga kokte yelaga thauri bache akoi gi ngase gi ima lebak che phijet phigai tana yom laga chatle ba nupi jingje Nataba crime kayama thoe. Machina maram weraga Miam Jida aina pau jelang kak piningi. Ngasigi somaji the lady banupi would be a coiche. Somaja jigi ming cheni hybache. I praja the pinning ever. Maduna maram weraga I kitang chana aina salaga. Makoi the piriba, me says I tareko. Sigi poche kitang yobang gadra hybagi pandam da. Aina ngachi Ipa ipujing na season number pigeon tolam pigeon che ay miyama mangda chelaga thabak ta ubne.
She started driving e-rickshaw from September 19 this year. Many people have inaugurated Anita's work.
Nupi singna asugumba anauba aikoi earning money gi damakta e-rickshaw thauba hawai base masi ubada aikoi yamna encourage dawi. She is the fast driving e-rickshaw. Maramaduna, Asigumba, Tabakasi, Nupi Singna, Imung Mangon, Katapudanatana, Asigumba, Tabaki Toba Targadi, Aikoina, Samaji Deda, Nupinuba Tong, Manari Habaja, Hariba Tabasin Taeba.
As a Quidine Caribtane man, Nipin and the Tobazidine, Yam the Nuaeba, Caribtaki, a Kanglete, Nipasing the Tobadini, Zavia, but since Jacka Tobushi, however, Aduna Quida Akiba power.
Later at Tongi. Even the Mabu to Tajabanina, Haina, Magis, my don't talk like Habazigi, Baramzi, the Amnuaja, Koinama Tolapoze.
Anita also said that she wants to contribute towards the efforts of Green Manipur Mission and women empowerment.
The accused in the RIMS rep case, Toksom Suras S31, son of T.H. Kula from Kaisamthong Moirang Lerok, was produced before the Court of Special Judge Posco in West today, which remanded him to 5 days police custody, that is, till October 8. The ECG technician of the RIMS hospital casualty had allegedly sexually assaulted a 12-year-old girl yesterday at the hospital. According to the mother of the victim, Suras raped the girl in the ECG room. Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar said, Suras deserves punishment for his action. He ordered all the male staff of the hospital not to repeat such crime and promised to provide medical assistance as well as other assistance to the victim and her family. Youth Affairs and Sports Secretary of Kanglei Park Student Association, Sanjoy Kulakpam, said, only after intense pressure from the KSA and the family, the MS terminated Suras. Meanwhile, members of the Baby Shana JSC along with their father Ningthozam Tomcho thronged the Chairab Court complex today, reiterating the demand that the bail application of Landoni, principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur, and her daughter Romita should be rejected. The mother duo accused in the mysterious date of Baby Shana are currently lodged at Central Jail Saziwa. The Chief Judicial Magistrate of Imphal West will announce the decision of the bail applications later today. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today stressed on the role of education in the society. He stated that a family plays an important role today in ensuring a developed society. Speaking at the Foundation Day celebration of St. John Worthington Tutorial Center at Hotel Imphal, Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that a developed society can be achieved if families are well established. He noted that the system of the United Kingdom to educate every member of the family does not mean to get only formal education, but to train every member of the family about the values and norms of the society. He underscored the need to educate all members, especially youngsters, in every family.
United Kingdom da poglaiba ngang khudinmak larik tamhangadabani haibase society samaj adugi chanabineba ai banate mina haibanate mathanda dum satnaraba yam chawkhalaba samaj amagi society adugi mipum khudinmak se larik hayangadamne se bogi chanabine culture ne karigumba family duna school da thaba ngamdraba macha do adurabodi imungda mama mapa duna समाज अमद चटकदब लमचट मथक थोंगबद चटकदब लमचट ममा मपाद उटकदब व्यवहार मागी फेलो फ्रेंड्स इंदा चटकदब नीति ngakdaba simse imungdudagi tambirакದबने है नियो यमगी पोकपदगी मागी मसादा फुमदना लोचनदना यावराबा मागी टैलेंट IQ and qualities mayamado मधु करमायना साकाय हनगदगे फुगाय हनगदगे नत्रगा फोंदोक हनगदगे हाबगी गार्डनर अमगी रोल लौरिबा पाम्बी द इसिंग चारगा हिंग लई फजबा सालनबदो.
Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next, South Korean DJ Soda to perform this evening at the HPS ground of Patsoy in Imphal West. Stay tuned.
Lamjingba Times daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our Lamjingba Times office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938.
Welcome back. South Korean DJ Soda will perform this evening at HBS ground under Patsoy of Imphal West. She is massively popular on social media with more than 2.7 million followers on Instagram and over 5.4 million followers on Facebook. For the first time, Imphal is going to witness the most popular EDM cum multi-genre music festival, Ultra EDM Imphal 2019, with South Korean DJ sensation Soda along with India's duo Jaffardan, Jung Jung, Somaya Rumtao and other performing. Women Action for Development WAD today conducted a one-day consultation program on voluntary review of the implementation of POSCO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015 at Classic Hotel in North AOC Imphal. The program was attended by Child Protection Officer Sarda Moirangthem, Senior Advocate R.K. Sumitra, member of JJB Chinglemba, Sub-Inspector of Women Police Station A. Olivia and others. A one-day temporary mall market was set today at Naurem Tong Kaitel, Imphal, arranged by Imphal Market Coordination Committee in association with International Peace Social Advancement IPSA, Kanglai Park Student Association KSA, and other social organizations. People came out to buy their favorite vegetables, fruits, and flower saplings from more than 80 stalls put up at the market. Maria Montessori School Koirengay, in collaboration with Polaris International United Nations Ceylon today, organized MMSP Moon 2019 conference at Classic Grande Chingmirong. Imphal, Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heftullah attended the event as the chief guest. The nationwide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, which began from September 26 at Wangu Gram Panchayat, wrapped up yesterday at Wangu Laifam Community Hall. The event was jointly organized by Southern Rural Development Organization SRDO, Wangu Gram Panchayat Development Committee, Wangu PHE Division Kakching, and All Wangu Club. SDOT Bimol Chan lauded the Jila Parishad, Pradhan, and every member of the Gram Panchayat for their dedication towards the campaign. On the other hand, Pradhan El Sarad urged the villager in making Wangu a cleaner and plastic-free area. Sangsak Battalion of 10th Sector Assam Rifles under the supervision of IGAR South organized a science fair and weapon display program at Sinai Kaitel village of Ukhrul district. During the fair, students of class 6 to 10 exhibit various science models. Assam Rifles also displayed war weapons and encouraged the students to join Indian Armed Forces. Students, teaching and non-teaching staffs of Tocho Ibeton Memorial Academy, Mayay Lambi Hiang Thang, staged a sit-in and formed human chain against Citizenship Amendment Bill yesterday. The protest was a part of the anti-CAB mass rally held all over Manipur under the aegis of Manpay. Tamenglong Forest Division and Churachandpur Forest Division of Manipur have begun celebrating the 64th Wildlife Week from October 2, which will continue till October 8. As a part of the observance, a mass rally was organized under the aegis of Office of the Divisional Forest Officer DFO Churachandpur. School children from across the district pledged for conservation of wildlife. Trees were also planted as a part of the Wildlife Week observance. The Wildlife Week aims to protect the wildlife and spread the message that only humans can save the wildlife. Another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates coming after the break.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Manipur. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862-56601 or 0385245211. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Takadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality leiraba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna leiraba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da leiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi gagdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangaw mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom ge apam design kuding makki order sulokjari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique.
Welcome back. The troops of the Assam Rifles in a joint operation with Nagaland police apprehended 2 cadres of NSCN K1 Yung Ong along with a .32 mm pistol with 6 rounds and 14 rounds of 7.62 mm from Mon District, Nagaland. The apprehendees along with recovered items were handed over to Mon Police Station for further investigation. The third General Council meeting of the Forum of Councils under the 6th Schedule Focus is being held in Shillong today. As per reports, the meeting is hosted by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC at the Hotel Pinewood. Issues related to the autonomy of district councils created under the 6th Schedule of the Constitution, including the proposed amendment to the 6th Schedule, funding from the center are some of the main agendas. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev, who is in New Delhi, held discussion with the visiting Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who is embarking on a 3-day visit to India. Sheikh Hasina and her Indian counterpart Narendra Modi are expected to sign a number of bilateral agreements that will benefit both India and Bangladesh. From Tripura's perspective, the most important development is likely to be the initialing of a standard operating procedure SOP for Indian essays to Chittagong port in Bangladesh by land route through Sabrum subdivision of South Tripura tomorrow. Signing of the SOP is very crucial for Sabrum subdivision's direct access to Chittagong port by land route across the Feni River, whose construction is likely to be completed by March next year. The distance between Sabrum and Chittagong port by land route is only 70 km, and once the connection is made between Sabrum and Chittagong port, it will spur growth of trade and commerce between Chittagong and Bangladesh and entire Northeast. Karnataka is the first state in southern India to propose the introduction of an Assam-like National Register of Citizens (NRC). As per reports, Karnataka Home Minister Basavaras Bommai said that the state government is collecting information on immigrants in the state and will start working for implementation of an NRC after a discussion with the central government. According to the reports, most of the illegal immigrants are employed as workers in coffee estates across the state. After Assam released the final list of NRC in August 31, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Jharkhand are some of the states which have also proposed the implementation of NRC. It may be mentioned that over 19 lakh people have been excluded from the final NRC in Assam. South African officials have seized 342 kilos of lion bones, prized in Asia for their supposed medicinal values, and to make jewelry at Johannesburg airport and arrested 3 people. The contents of the crates destined for Malaysia were undeclared. Now let's have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Smart City Command Center in pipeline. Heeding Manipur Peoples Against Citizenship Amendment Bills calls 1,000 stake anti-CAB stand. Drugs worth over ₹6 crore seized. Internal dissent likely to be resolved soon. Imphal Free Press. Indefinite mass protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill begins. BJP is insensitive to people's sentiment, says MPP chief. Bail hearing of Landoni daughter fixed tomorrow. Greed and ignorance of present generation and environmental threats. 2 injured as building barge board collapsed. The People's Chronicle. Bell sounded as Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill kicks off anti-CAB crusade. Political instability in state lingers on. 2 held with rupees 7.2 crore drugs. Korean DJ to perform in Manipuri attire. Manipur Mail. Thousands take part in public protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Supreme Court reserves order on amendments to Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Act. Gadkari reviews progress of highway projects. Bhima Koregaon. 5th Supreme Court judge rescues from hearing plea.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipuri women leading self-contained life through e-rickshaw service. RIMS rep accused remanded to 5-day police custody. And MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stresses on the role of education in society. Well, that's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.